don't stand there. Sorry. This window. Wait. Come this way.
Don't worry.
Not be captured in front here. Oh, sorry.
Clear, police. Clear one corner.
Come on, police. Keep moving.
Make him fine. For position. And for just position inside. Sorry.
The gate is locked. All right, okay.
There are no security men.
Nobody to open the gate.
They left. All of them.
I'm here myself this morning with members of the few members of the School Council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, I've already made several attempts by phone call to reach the Speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gates, you can see that the place is completely sealed and there is no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, is the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they are working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.